Hello and welcome back. It's been about a week since we last uploaded. So the reason I waited was, as I'm sure you're aware if you watch anything on YouTube, TMU seems to be sort of all the rage at the moment. So I bought a few items, as you can see in front of you, to have a look and see whether products from Temu are any good for sort of woodworking jobs, that kind of thing. Um, mainly I do stuff with the Dremel, so it's going to be similar sort of things. So I'll open them up, we'll have a look, and I'll tell you how much they are and the quality and that kind of thing. So the first ones that I'm going to look at are these little clamps. Now the price of these, it was £1.21 for a pair of them. I mean, obviously they are quite small, as you can see. If it fits into my camera, they're not particularly big. But let's have a look. For what I do, they're not too bad. So let's have a look. I mean, they feel okay quality. It's nice, quite a sturdy hand grip. Yeah, it feels all right. Yeah, I'd say they're not bad quality. And as I say, for little jobs, which is all I do, these really are quite good for little clamping up. I say they're not long. I don't have a tape measure handy, and it doesn't say here. I think it was yes, it does say on the order, 4 inches. You can get for that. So for £1.21, yeah, I'd say that was all right. Right, let's move on. I can't remember half of the stuff I've ordered, so one thing I would say before I take this out, if at all possible, check for sizes on Temu, because it's not always what you think. So this was just a little desk vise. So again, it feels fairly well made. Yeah, you just clamp that onto your desk, and then you've got a little mini vise there. Yeah, I mean, I say it feels quite good. It is a cast metal, so apart from just the little red bits on the end, it is all metal. But I say, literally, get an idea of the size. It fits into my hand, but again, for what I do, it's ideal. And this one was £2.98, so yeah, not too bad. Right, let's have a look at this one. I mean, so far I would say it's a winner so far. Sorry, I'm just trying to find. Is that one? I didn't remember ordering this, so I'm just trying to have a look at it. Yeah, it was. Okay, so this is a woodworking ruler, 3D mitre angle measuring gauge, square size measuring tool, and £1.29. I'm not sure if you can pick it up. Yeah, see, so it's got measurements all along there, the same on here, and again at the end. You've got all the hole sizes through there. again on that side. And I mean, to be honest, I don't know whether I will use it a great deal. This one is plastic, but at £1.29, yeah, you got to be reasonably happy with that, I think. Again, more hole sizes, and yeah, I think you got to be reasonably happy with that. Right, this is the one I was interested in to see if this was any good. Because I didn't need, but I wanted one of these. That feels reasonable. Let me just get the page back. This is a small hand saw, a Japanese woodworking flush cut saw with a wooden handle. So let's take it out of this. It looks like this was it looks like this was the dearest item at £4.93. Now these, I mean, the teeth look pretty sharp. Yeah, oh, I don't know if you can hear that. There is ever such a slight wobble on the blade. But other than that, it feels okay. Yeah, not too bad, I guess. I guess the proof of being when I actually attempt to use it. This was the next one. Don't panic, there's only one left after this. Okay, and this is a selection of tools for the Dremel. I mean, you can, in fairness, you can pick these up in several different places at a reasonable cost. You don't have to pay big money for them. Just show you which ones we've got. These are the ones that I tend to use a lot of, so it'd be interesting to see how they match up with some of the others. I mean, it again, I mean, they feel like any other Dremel tool, so until I actually get on to using them, it's hard, you know, to really give that a judge. So that was a, what is it, set of 6? 2, 3, 6, yeah, set of 6 for £1.29. They're calling them titanium routing wood, rotary milling, rotary file, I don't know. But yeah, so that again, so 6 of them for £1.29. So I mean, even if you just get a couple of uses out of them at £1.29, you can't really grumble at that, can you? Okay, so on to the last one, and again, I guess that this is going to be another one that until I actually get on and test them, it's going to be hard to judge. So, sorry, whipping it all up out of the way. This is a set of drill bits. And again, I mean, drill bits aren't necessarily something I use a great deal of, but I guess, God, they're an absolute pig to get into. Sorry, just one moment. Trying to get into them. It's an absolute nightmare. Right. I think we're nearly there. So there are a lot. So that is a set of 50 pieces a standard titanium coated HSS steel drill bit, set 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3. So we'll start off down at the smallest. So I assume that it's 10 of each. Yeah. Again, nothing special, you know, it's drill pieces, isn't it? For what did I say that was? 94p. So for the entire lot, what do we have? Let's have a look where we are, if I can get them all in shot. Yeah, we had that, didn't we? We had them. And then we had the clamps. Struggling to find somewhere to put them all. There is a pair of them. And then we had the knife. So for the entire the entire delivery, what did it come to? I believe it was around, yeah, £12.44. They were, I don't know if they still are, they were doing free delivery. But yeah, I would say that that's a win. Obviously, I will check the measurements on this to check they are correct. But until I've actually got down and used it, it's appearing to be a win to me. So thank you very much for watching, guys. If you want to see more stuff like this, let me know, and I'll happily order some more bits and we'll have a look, and maybe I'll actually get into doing them. It's just the weather's been terrible here the last few days, so sitting outside and recording a video isn't really ideal. If you haven't, please hit the thumbs up, and again, if you haven't, please consider subscribing to the channel. It's totally free of charge to do, doesn't cost you a thing. So thanks very much, and I'll catch you guys soon.